后来面对这个混乱的场面，拜登是来呼吁川普出面甲支持者抗体。川普嘛真正来发一段影片，呼吁支持者是时阵爱转去咯。问题是川普也是唔认输，搁伫遐兄查天火刀。川普嘛透过影片大声来发声，讲选举有做手，搁写几啊条的文章来造势。结果，参推特这个平台嘛看袂做哩，唔那甲影片甲这个文章拢摕掉，而且暂时来封锁掉川普的笑话12点钟。
Please welcome the 45th President of the United States of America.
伫咧国会两院认证大选结果的同时，川普亲身来到白宫路口，面对极端的支持者。
We will never give up. We will never concede. It doesn't happen. You don't concede when there's theft involved. Our country has had enough. We will not take it anymore.
同款坚持家己防做掉，加上副总统潘斯确定袂主动认证，川普愈讲愈气，支持者嘛甲现场的气氛炒甲真热。
We're going to walk down to the Capitol. And we're going to cheer on our brave senators and congressmen and women. You have to show strength and you have to be strong.
虽望川普嘛呼吁支持者和平表达诉求，不过抗争的活动同款闹袂停。
At this hour, our democracy is under an unprecedented assault. So President Trump, step up.
拜登反对暴力，问川普要怎处理。川普伫咧 Twitter 用影片回应。
It was a landslide election, and everyone knows it, especially the other side. But you have to go home now. We have to have peace. We have to have law and order.
川普同款坚持选举无公平，过无偌久，伊 Twitter 顶的影片含争议铺文拢互提掉，嘛宣布封锁川普的号码12点钟，甲川普警告袂当阁违规。